Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And now I can tap down the knot with my hammer. And I am going to use a plastic mallet for this so that I don't damage my silver. And before I shape the rest of the ring, you can see here that this part is nicely rounded, but here at the top part of the knot, the silver is bending inwards, and I really don't like the way how that is looking. So I am going to try this. And if I just tap this part around the tribulate and I leave this part alone, then the ring is going to look much nicer. And now let's get it up until the right size, and I'm going for a 16.5. I don't have a mandrel with the sizes on it. I solve it like this. I set my dividers at 16, even though I'm going for a ring with a 16.5. When you bend over pieces like this, they always tend to be a little bit big. So I am taking half a size off. I've set my calipers on 16. And I'll just put a piece of tape over here. And now I know that the top of my taped line is about 16, so I can use this to size my ring. Now I'm picking up my solder with my soldering pick, which is made out of titanium, in case you want to make one yourself. And I'm placing it onto my ring, and I wanted to show you this, because as you can see the solder is flowing to the left, and I can fix this by heating up on the right. So you can use your flame to guide your solder into certain directions. And last but certainly not least, the wool buff, and this will give your piece a lovely shine, and you use it with a very light compound. I am using my ultrasonic device to clean my piece, but of course you can just use a baby toothbrush and some dishwasher soap. And after cleaning, you're left with a very sweet and elegant design, and it's so easy to make one of those. If you are going to give it a go yourself, it would be awesome if you would like to share a picture with me at info@estona.nl, and I would be happy to share your pictures on my social media channels.